This is the Osree GL1000 model LED grow light. It is 97.8 true watts, listed as a 100 watt light that covers around a 2 foot by 2 foot grow tent. I am doing a test to find out for real world results by growing a plant underneath of it. This particular light has 240 diodes built into it. They are the model SMD 3030s. They have red, white, blue, and infrared diodes. And this particular plant is a summer squash, early prolific variety. Now, when I transplanted this particular plant it was started in a separate unit called an AeroGarden. It had 2 seedling leaves and 4 true leaves. But now there are a total of about a dozen true leaves on this plant. And if you were to look underneath, there are, if you were able to count them, a total of around 16 different flower sites, flower buds that are starting to form. And actually, I have 2 small yellow summer squash that are starting to form on this side, and another 2 that are starting to form on the other side. Just so you can see the plant from a few different angles. This is the top view, very well structured, symmetrical, and a close-up of the underneath side that I touched upon earlier. You can see those flowering locations, and you can also see the close-up of the fruits starting to form. So this particular grow light does run just a little bit warm, and so if you have it in an enclosed area, I would say try to vent that out. The ballast is mounted above the unit. There is a little bit of an air gap for air cooling. It is fanless. And one of the things that I would mention is the spot where the power cord plugs into the top of the unit can go a little bit sideways as the light is adjusted on the yo-yo hanger. I am trying to maintain a 12-inch height from top of plant to the light. And so you want to make sure that this stays plugged in all the way. Also, note that there is another outlet on the other side of it if you'd like to daisy chain this style of light together. This plant is in an autopot, and it has coca core and number 3 perlite 50/50 for the grow media being fed Dynagrow nutrients from the reservoir to the side here. So you can see so far that this plant is looking very robust. I am pleased with the results so far. Try to turn this a little bit so you can get a quick see. And there you go. This is what the base of that grow light looks like. Anyone who uses styles of lights like these should probably pick up a small plastic level. You could true up your lights in terms of the light coverage. So day 14, we'll see how it continues.